Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to restrict someone on Facebook Messenger, and now let's dive right in. Now to restrict someone on Facebook Messenger, first open up your Messenger app, and after that guys, make sure to be logged into the account through which you want to restrict someone. Now in order to restrict that person, let's find that person. Either we can search for them or we can find them on the friend list. So I'll be just going with the friend list, or we can search for somebody. Okay, let's go and search for my other account, and over here is my another account. Now in order to restrict it guys, you can see their name at the top of the screen. Tap on there and this kind of interface will appear, and scroll down from over here, and over here guys at the privacy and support category, there is the restrict button available for us. Tap on that restrict button, and there guys, this account has been restricted, and this is how you restrict someone on Facebook Messenger. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.